Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you guys are doing great as always and welcome back. So in today's video, I'm going to tell you guys 10 easy, simple ways that you can do right now to improve the quality of your life. So let's get into the video. So the first one is to treat yourself with a meal that you have been craving for so long. Like for example, it could be smoothie or some noodles or brownies, cupcakes, anything. It can be any sort of thing, and you can cook it at home. Cook it for yourself right now. You can go and cook it for yourself, or tell someone to cook it for you, and then you can turn on your TV, watch some fun movie, series, or read a book, or listen to podcast and eat that and enjoy it. That's gonna give you a sort of satisfaction, but it is gonna give you a satisfaction. You're gonna be actually happy, wow, I had this and it was so tasty. So yeah, those small things matter. So this is one small thing that matters in improving the quality of your life. So you can do this right now, and all these things you can do at home and do again. These are all simple things. So yeah, first thing is make a meal, cook a meal that you have been craving for so long. Could be anything like pizza, pasta, anything, or any, even the smallest thing like any cookies or any sort of biscuits. So just eat that. So the second thing is start investing time in the hobbies that you love. Now for example, you love painting, dancing, singing, cooking, and you are constantly telling yourself that you don't have time to do all this, but the reality is that you actually have time to do it. Like, you are not making time, you have lots of time, but you are actually wasting it. Like for example, if you spend 8 hours in sleeping, and then for example 5 hours in working, you still have lots of time left to do that hobby. So now for example, you want to learn a new language, let's say French, but you cannot join any online class or for that, or go to some classes. You can learn from Google. There is always Google there. You can type small words, or learn on YouTube. So there is always a way to learn things, and you have to make time for it. You have lots of time, but you are constantly telling yourself that you don't have time, but you are wasting time in any sort of thing. So make time and invest your time in doing the things that you love, in doing the hobby, learning the hobby more nicely. So yeah, now let's get into the third. So the third point is to call a loved one. Now we always have this one person whom we text or call, and it just brightens our day, just makes our day more better. If we are having a dull day, we always have that one person with whom we can talk on call or text, and then our day just gets better. So if you are the person who is avoiding it, not avoiding it basically, but life is just getting into the way, work is getting in the way, and we're not getting time, you can call them right now. Talk to that person and make your day better. Enjoy your day while talking to them. You can text them, you can call them. See, we always have time to do these small things, but we keep telling ourselves that we don't have time, and we just assume it that we don't have time. We always have at least 5 minutes available, so that at least 5 minutes we can call them. In those 5 minutes, at least 5 minutes, will talk to them and you will feel better. So yeah, we always have at least 5 minutes in our life that through which we feel free, but we just keep telling ourselves that we are not free. So we assume that we are not free. Like, whatever we tell ourselves, we just keep believing that, but that's sometimes not true. So call a loved one right now and talk to them and make your day better. Now the fourth point is to make a list of things that you are thankful for. Now we all always like have some stresses or problems, and we keep telling ourselves, oh my god, I have this problem, oh my god, I'm stressed for that thing. But because of those things, we always forget to be thankful for the things that we have. We always forget to have gratitude and be feel lucky. So make a list of things right now. Write down things or think in your mind those things which you are actually thankful for, and it will boost your spirits. You will feel happy, and you will like feel like, oh my god, how lucky I am to have these things, or how happy I am after having these things. So make a list of those things, and you will feel happy, and you will feel thankful to have these things, and then those problems will just look smaller to you. So yeah, make a list of those things that you are actually happy for and thankful for, and you will just feel a lot more happier. So the fifth thing is to laugh and to enjoy. So every time we hear this quote or this thought that laughter is the best medicine, it actually is. It boosts our immune system, it makes us feel energized, it burns calories, and during these time we definitely have to build our immune system, so we can laugh and build it. You can watch any fun series, any fun movie, any fun podcast through which you feel through which you laugh a lot. So go and put it on. One funny series that I'll recommend you guys is Friends. If you haven't watched Friends Reunion, you can go watch that now, and you will feel happy, and watch Friends series, and again you will laugh and you will enjoy, or just any series or any movie. So the sixth point is to start working on the self-talk. So right now, what are your thoughts? What are you thinking? Are those thoughts negative or positive? And if those thoughts are negative, then stop thinking negativity. Stop being negative all the time, and start being positive. Think positive, and positive things will happen. If you think positive, then there will be positivity around you, and then you will feel positive, and then positive things will start to happen in your life. So always think positive. Firstly, it's very important, and it will greatly increase the quality of your life. So think positive. This is like the most important thing in life. Always think positive. So the seventh thing is to wear your favorite dress. Now I don't know how, but whenever we wear our favorite dresses, we automatically feel happier, we feel energetic, and I don't know why is it, but it is what it is. And so this favorite outfit doesn't need to be any off-shoulder top or any party wear dress. It can be a regular normal t-shirt, and just wear it, and then comb your hair, and you will automatically feel happier and feel energetic, and it just creates a fun environment around you, and you will want to do things which you are delaying from a long period of time. So yeah, you can right now go wear your favorite outfit and comb your hair, and then just feel happier and energetic and fun throughout the day. And yeah, let's get into the next point. So the eighth thing is to start saving up for a thing that you have always wanted to do. It can be anything, a road trip, any trip to some different country, city, or place, or if you want to buy a guitar, or any sort of thing that you have always wanted to do. I mean, you have wanted to do or buy or go, but you are not able to do that because you don't have enough amount of money. So start saving money instead of spending it on random stuff. You can start saving it right now, and then after a few years you will be able to do the things, or buy the thing, or go to the trip, or do just anything that you have always wanted to do by saving right now. Start saving small amounts, and then you will just one day get enough amount, and you can do that you've always wanted to do. So let's get into the next point. So the ninth point is to help somebody out. So helping people always makes me happy. I love helping people. So I suggest you guys also to help people. Whenever we help people, it automatically puts happiness. We feel happy when we help people, and it could be any person whom you wanted to help. You can make anyone's day better by just helping them, and this might not make your day better, but this will definitely put a smile on your face, which you might not be having throughout the day. So yeah, help people, and will automatically feel happier, and that help will surely be returned in the future in some or the other way. So help people, and all these small things right now, when we hear it, we feel like, oh my god, this small thing, how is it going to help me, and how is it going to make my life better, or change the quality of my life. But it actually does. If you start doing these things, you will surely feel the change. So until you don't do it, you are not going to realize it. So start doing it right now, and all these things you can do literally at home and right now. So start doing. So the 10th point is to do yoga and calm down. During our hectic life, even at home, we are always on screens for some work, class, homework, any sort of things. Even at home, our life is sort of hectic. Even for students, even for any other elder person, our life is always hectic, whether home or out. So we need to calm down. We need to give a second to ourselves. We need to give ourselves a few minutes throughout the day. So during these few minutes, you can do yoga. You do yoga, and yoga makes your soul calm down. You will feel calmness, and just calm down, take a deep breath, and look outside a window and take a deep breath. Or even when you are at your room, take a deep breath and calm down. Make things go easily. Do things lightly. Don't put stress around you. When you have lots of stress, when you think negative things will happen. The minute you start thinking positive, the minute you take everything a little less, in a little less stressed way, you will automatically feel positive things. You automatically feel positivity. So all these small 10 things you can do right now, and it's gonna change the college. I hope you like this video, and if you did, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and also comment down if there are, and definitely there are more such things, and what you do to change the quality of your life, to bring positivity around you. Comment it down, and follow me on Instagram. It will, as usual, link down below, and try to do all these things at home, and save time for yourself and do all these things. You can literally do this at home, and it does not involve any sort of going outside. So yeah, I hope you like this video, and until I upload my next video, bye.